Hey everyone, welcome to Travel Therapy Guide's 5-minute or less video tutorials. Today we are going to be talking about the ideal travel therapist. How do you know you will like travel therapy? Well, there are some ideal personalities that may make travel therapy more enjoyable. One is a flexible personality, 2, confident personality, 3, outgoing personality, 4, adventurous, and 5, organized. All of these traits are going to make you like travel therapy more because you're going to need these traits to be a successful traveling therapist. Another thing that's going to help you enjoy traveling therapy is having the ideal living situation. And what I mean by that is often if you have not started a family yet and if you don't have children yet, travel therapy is easier because you are not having to leave them behind to go to different assignments, and you're not having to worry about, can my family find work, find school within my assignments. That creates a lot more stress, I feel like, for traveling therapists. It doesn't necessarily, it's something that you can still travel with family and with children, of course, and I will go into videos of how traveling can be great for that. But if you're doing traveling all around the nation, it can be more difficult. That's additional with before pets too. If you have pets, it's a lot harder to find housing. You're going to have to travel with them, and so it just becomes more difficult to find assignments and to easily travel to different assignments if you have pets. And then also being single, because it's just easier to not leave someone behind, and if you're just on your own, you can travel all around and you're not going to feel like you're missing that person. So I think those 3 living situations make it a bit easier to travel. The third thing is financial need. If you have a strong desire to make more money fast, then you are the ideal traveler, because travel therapists make roughly 2 times more than standard traditional permanent positions. And so if you have a strong financial need, you are going to enjoy traveling a lot more than a permanent position because you're going to feel like you are getting fairly compensated for your education and for your work. You also want to have plenty of family and friend connections for housing. So an ideal traveler would maybe have family in multiple different states or multiple different cities. And why that is so important for a traveling therapist is that instead of having to find temporary housing or long-term apartments, you can stay with your family and friends and pay them an agreeable form of rent in exchange for housing. And that just makes moving to different locations a lot easier in terms of finding housing, paying for housing, and then also feeling comfortable and safe in a new location because you already have family and friends in that location. Those are the main things that are going to help you be an ideal traveler. Obviously, if you don't feel like you have certain things that I discussed, that's not going to inhibit you from traveling. Anyone can travel, but those lifestyle, financial needs, connections, and personality traits are going to make traveling therapy a lot more enjoyable and easier. If you have any more questions, you can read more at debtfreept.com or get my complete guide on Amazon. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you in my future videos.